Welcome to Adjective and Adverb Wordsmith 1. Adjective and adverb are a word that can describe a thing or an action. Let's go through the words. Barehead. Having the head uncovered, as a bareheaded girl. Yvel. Evil, ill. Minionlike. Like a minion, daintily. Syker. To percolate, trickle, or ooze, as water through a crack. Ablaze. In a state of glowing excitement or ardent desire. Afoul. In collision, entangled. Askew. Awry, askance, asquint, oblique or obliquely, sometimes indicating scorn, or contempt, or entry. Yvel. Evil, ill. Agasp. In a state of gasping. Aleak. In a leaking condition. Afloat. Unfixed, moving without guide or control. Adrift, as our affairs are all afloat. Awry. Aside from the line of truth, or right reason, unreasonable or unreasonably, perverse or perversely. Ago. Past, gone by, since, as, 10 years ago, gone long ago. Adwhirl. Twisted, distorted, awry. Sprawl. Sprawling. Lateward. Somewhat late, backward. Awry. Aside from the line of truth, or right reason, unreasonable or unreasonably, perverse or perversely. Tandem. One after another, said especially of horses harnessed and driven one before another, instead of abreast. Forte. Loudly, strongly, powerfully. Palterly. Paltry, shabby, shabbily, paltrily. Barehead. Having the head uncovered, as a bareheaded girl. Aslant. Toward one side, in a slanting direction, obliquely. Leggero. Light or graceful, in a light, delicate, and brisk style. Fairest. Superal, of fur. Agrin. In the act of grinning. Behovely. Useful, or usefully. Pomposo. Grand and dignified, in grand style. Alamode. according to the fashion or prevailing mode. Adagio. Slow, slowly, leisurely, and gracefully. When repeated, adagio, adagio, it directs the movement to be very slow. Forte. Loudly, strongly, powerfully. Lateward. Somewhat late, backward. Squarely. Becoming a squire, like a squire. Barehead. Having the head uncovered, as a bareheaded girl. Blackguardly. In the manner of or resembling a blackguard, abusive, scurrilous, ruffianly. Gustoso. Tasteful, in a tasteful, agreeable manner. Behindhand. In a state of backwardness, in respect to what is seasonable or appropriate, or as to what should have been accomplished, not equally forward with some other person or thing, dilatory, backward, late, tardy, as, behindhand in studies or in work. Agape. Gaping, as with wonder, expectation, or eager attention. Tandem. One after another, said especially of horses harnessed and driven one before another, instead of abreast. Agone. Past, gone by, since, as, 10 years ago, gone long ago. Near. Nearer. Nigh. Not remote in degree, kindred, circumstances, etc., closely allied, intimate. Malapropos. Unseasonable or unseasonably, unsuitable or unsuitably. Vivace. Brisk, vivacious, with spirit, a direction to perform a passage in a brisk and lively manner. Nigh. Not remote in degree, kindred, circumstances, etc., closely allied, intimate. Asleep. In a state of sleep, in sleep, dormant. Afloat. Unfixed, moving without guide or control. Adrift, as, our affairs are all afloat. Leggero. Light or graceful, in a light, delicate, and brisk style. Fairer. Compare, of fur. Pomposo. Grand and dignified, in grand style.
If you enjoyed this wordsmith on Autonomy House Education, please like, dislike, or subscribe if you'd like to see more. I appreciate your feedback and read every comment as this is a spare time hobby. Please be aware that implementing changes may be a gradual process. Autonomy channel contains updates and works in progress on all channels. Autonomy core channel contains general statistics and background information. Happy YouTube travels!